Hello, hello. What are the messages we need to hear today? Connection. I have faith that those meant for my journey will stay, and those not meant will gracefully depart. Begin. May you start as if you have already begun. That is a person. Every person you meet today, even the most deeply annoying one, is a person. To someone out there, they are the best person that they have ever existed. A favorite person amongst all the people on earth. Remember that the next time someone is rude or inconsiderate or even slightly irritating, this is someone's favorite person. For hard times, having a hard time with a situation, imagine that person, people, or event being surrounded by sparkly white, loving light. Make a cocoon of love around them or it. This changes the energy around circumstances, plus it changes you. All right, which box has our quotes today? Let's do the little one. Everything that happened in your life is a gift. If you treat it that way, you'll experience it that way, and you'll spend the rest of your life unwrapping presents. Bashar. We're not here to manage the outside world. We're here to manage our response to the outside world. Carolyn Miss. The past does not have to be your prison. You have a voice in your destiny. You have a say in your life. You have a choice in the path you take. Max Lacuto. In the mood to forgive the version of me that didn't know better. How you feel is how you feel. Never let anyone invalidate your feelings. And the last one today. Act on your highest excitement to the best of your ability with zero insistence on the outcome, trusting that your higher mind will manifest what you truly need. And then, whatever manifests, know that that's what serves you in the best possible way. Bashar. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.